What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a level 2 lesson that you asked me to make. Check it out. Alright guys, so a while back, you guys, a bunch of you started asking me about level 2 in the comment section, and I kept replying and letting you guys know that, level 2 to me isn't that important. I use it, you see it always on my screen, and I, in part, feel a little blind not having it there. But usually I think it's just because time and sales is right next to it for the most part when I trade. So maybe that's why. I do use level 2. I'm not going to say I don't. But it's not like everybody's always telling me like, oh, Jesse, how do you read level 2 to enter or exit? And my answer has always been, I don't use it. And you guys have continued to ask me that, and I've always said I don't use it. And then it came to the realization of maybe I should just make a video letting you know why I don't use it instead of making you a video on how to read it to enter or exit trades, because I can't do that because I don't do it. So when I told you guys about it, you guys were super stoked and said, yeah, make a video on why you don't think or you don't use level 2 or you don't think it's that important for what you do, right? So that's what we're going to do here. But before we move forward, do me the quick favor, smash the like button for me. We've already broken 5,000 subscribers and I owe it all to you guys. Thank you so much. Now, we're on the race to 10,000 subscribers, because once we get to 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway where one of you is going to get a fully funded trading account for free. That's right. It's for free. It's going to be a small account, $500. I would always suggest, add to it and, make it a little bit of a bigger account and trade from there, because trading with a small account adds a ton of stress to an already stressful type of work. It's just the way it is. So that would be my suggestion to whoever wins. But first we got to get to 10,000 subscribers. So you got to smash the like button for me. Comment in the comment section below, right? And share the channel. All that helps out tremendously. When you smash the like button, when you subscribe, when you comment, it helps with the YouTube algorithm and pushes the channel further up. And that way we get more subs. The faster we get more subs, the faster we can do that giveaway. So it's just that simple, guys. Also, share the channel. Get the link and share the channel on your social media or in your stock trading groups, etc. And let people know and have them come on over. Now, as far as the level 2. So the tools that I mainly use when I'm trading, let me get my cursor here on my mouse, is my candlestick chart, okay? You always see a 3-minute chart because I generally base my entries or time my entries based on the 3-minute chart. However, above, I always have other charts, other time frames, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, daily, and futures I even have hourly. So I always have other, charts up there. So, candlestick chart, volume, 9 EMA, VWAP, all of that to me is more important than level 2. More important than level 2. Now, time and sales, very important to me. Very, very important, okay? There's another very important tool here, because this doesn't lie. This doesn't lie. This shows you the orders that are being executed. This does not lie. This, level 2, can lie. And now, while I wish I had an example here for you of a lie on level 2, I don't. I actually have an example here on level 2 where level 2 could have worked out, okay? But we're going to reverse psychology this, and I'm going to show you exactly why. And it's something that I've seen tons of times. And I'm going to let you know how I take advantage of that lie. When I see that lie on level 2, how I take advantage of it. So here we are, AIM. I'm not in this play, as you can see, no position on this day. But when I saw what I saw on level 2, I decided to start recording it right away for this lesson. Right here, you see on ARCA, $2.79 on the ask, 0 to 175. Now, the reason this is a 0 here is because, and you'll see me move this, I had to make this a little bigger to fit it. This was a big size order. It was over 100,000 shares. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and see that in action here. So we're going to fast forward a little bit, just under control here, fast forwarding. Get that up there. See, we're at 277, 278, 279, Watch. There's when I make this bigger, and now you see here 104,000 shares on the ask, okay, at 279. Now, when you're looking at the level 2, and this ask is next, it's up here, and these shares start to get bought, and all of a sudden that ask disappears, it's a spoof order. Sometimes it won't even get there and it won't even fill. It'll just be like 277, 279, and then when 277 is getting 8 out, and 279 is about to come on, that huge order of 100,000 shares disappears. It's a spoof order. It's illegal, but people still do it. Big traders do it. Hedge funds still do it. It's illegal. If they get caught doing it, whoever gets caught doing it, there will be consequences to pay. But it's illegal. It's called the spoof order. It's meant to scare you. It's meant to be like, oh my God, we're not gonna break that wall, right? We're not gonna break that wall. So the bids drop. Nobody chases on the ask, and all of a sudden the stock goes down to 260 something, and that 100,000 share order that was here at 279 shows up here at 260 and starts to get filled. And then the stock goes right back up to the top. That's a spoof order meant to scare you. The same can be done on the bid, okay? Here, it's scaring buyers. On the bid here, right, we're scaring shorts because people who are short are hoping for a dump. And when they see a huge bid come on board, they might be like, oh, there's a lot of support there. Maybe I should just get out of this short. Right? And then that disappears, the stock dumps, and rinse and repeat, right? Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. So that's why I don't pay attention, or I pay attention, why I don't take a whole lot of importance in the level 2, because those orders, they come out, and I'm talking about they come out on small cap, low floats, they come out on big board stocks, blue chips, they're always out there. It happens every day. It's happening. We might not come across it every day, but there's enough action in the market where this is happening on a daily basis, regardless of SEC fines and regulations. It still happens. It might happen less than it used to, but it still happens. Now, here in this case, we have that 279 104, 104,000 share order, and I was watching and I wanted to see what would happen when we got to there, and there you see. It's funny because you see two orders here. Boom. There's like 180,000 shares right here at 279 between these two orders. Okay. And I wanted to see, are these real orders? Are they going to be bought? Am I going to see this on the time and sales? And sure enough, 279 is printing galore here on the time and sales. Watch. See, look at the time and sales. They're printing out. They're there. They're getting bought. They're getting bought. And in this case, you could say, okay, well, now if this wall gets taken out, we should pop up to higher day. That would be the common sense thing. That would be using the level 2, to your advantage. And you see it's getting 8 out. It's getting 8 out. Now, there's only 10,000 shares left, and we're already printing, 282s. So we've already broken that wall. And there we go. Make a quick little pop to 285. And if I remember correctly, this does make an attempt at the highs. But I stopped it there. But that's it right there. That's their level 2. You're reading it. You're seeing the wall getting 8 out, the stock moving higher. But at the same time, you have to keep in mind that they're spoof orders. There are orders made out there that are just put on there to scare you. Then they disappear. They get canceled. If they start to get filled, they'll just cancel it. Bam. They have 100,000 shares. 1,000 get filled, and they're like, whoops, and they cancel. Cancel. Right? That's what happens. So that is exactly why I personally don't put a huge emphasis on level 2, because I see the spoof orders. Now, when I see these spoof orders, sometimes I take them as, I'm long here. They're spoofing on the ask. These shorts are scared. They're trying to scare people. And then I keep an eye on the bid. If the bids remain strong, right? And I see my time in sales and the bids are strong. Bam, 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 bam. And that ask is starting to get 8 out. And that spoof order disappears as it gets close. I see those shorts are getting nervous. I get confident. And oftentimes it's helped out. And I get confident and the stock just, boom, skyrockets. And, that's one way to use it. But me personally, like I said, I look for the spoof orders, I look for the fake outs, and I really watch my time in sales. If they're printing there and their prints are coming through and I see a lot of green, there's a lot of buying, okay, support. If I see a lot of red, well, there's a lot of selling pressure. But level 2, not so much of a huge deal in that aspect for me. But I hope this helps, guys, now that you understand what I mean. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Remember to check out Webull in the link in the description section below. Download the app, get 2 free stocks after you fund your account. That's free money. You can sell the stocks, go out to lunch, and enjoy the day. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you're alerted next time I upload a video, and I'll catch you on the next one.